In recent years, a powerful movement has quietly emerged within Israeli politics, a movement with aspirations rooted in ancient religious prophecy. Known as the Temple Movement, this once fringe group now wields considerable influence, impacting not only the Israeli government but also regional stability and global geopolitics. At its heart, the Temple Movement advocates for the destruction of Jerusalem's Al-Aqsa Mosque and the Dome of the Rock, sites deeply sacred to Muslims worldwide, and replacing them with a third Jewish temple. To followers of this movement, such a reconstruction is not merely symbolic. It is essential for the arrival of the Messiah and the fulfillment of end-times prophecy. The Temple Institute, a central player within this movement, actively prepares for the day their vision is realized.
And there's no reason why the miracle of the reestablishment of the temple on the Temple Mount is not possible.
Those of us who believe God and the Bible, the very existence of modern Israel is a validation of the Scripture. Those of us who believe
craft religious artifacts, robes for priests, a massive 42-kilogram golden menorah, and detailed architectural plans and 3D models of the temple itself. Their vision is vividly promoted through various media platforms, igniting enthusiasm among supporters and tension with those opposed to their objectives. This movement's ideological roots run deep, fed significantly by Kahanist beliefs, a far-right ideology shaped by Rabbi Meir Kahana. Kahana's teachings, infamous for advocating extreme measures including the forced removal of Palestinians and banning Muslims from the Temple Mount, were so incendiary that his political party was banned in Israel for racism and violence. Yet his legacy endures, fueling and funding Temple Movement activities today. A key figure in this movement is Yisrael Ariel, founder of the Temple Institute and a former member of Kahana's banned party. Ariel's radical positions are well documented, including controversial praise for violent attacks against Palestinian families, revealing the deeply troubling aspects of the Temple Movement's ideological foundations. Another significant figure is Itamar Ben-Gvir, Israel's current national security minister. Ben-Gvir openly promotes the Temple Movement's ideals, routinely participating in provocative visits to the Temple Mount alongside ultra-right-wing groups. His actions, intended to ignite tensions, illustrate the growing confidence and influence of this movement within mainstream Israeli politics. But the movement's reach extends beyond Israeli borders. Connections to influential political and religious figures in the United States further complicate the landscape. Former American officials such as Mike Huckabee and David Friedman have publicly expressed alignment with or sympathy towards the movement's goals. Moves like the U.S. Embassy relocation to Jerusalem were perceived as direct support for this ideological agenda, illustrating its international ramifications. This rise in prominence has not gone unnoticed, nor has it gone unchallenged. Within Israel, some ultra-Orthodox Jewish groups have openly denounced the extremism of factions within the Temple Movement, highlighting internal divisions and the contested nature of its mission. Nonetheless, quiet governmental funding and strategic political appointments suggest a tacit endorsement, revealing the complexities and contradictions within Israeli policy. Critically, the movement's vision to dismantle Al-Aqsa and erect a third temple is seen by many observers as a catalyst for potentially catastrophic regional conflict. Given the profound religious sensitivities surrounding these sacred sites, the movement's goals effectively translate to a call for the displacement and possible annihilation of Palestinian identity and presence in Jerusalem. In conclusion, the Temple Movement, once relegated to Israel's political margins, now stands at the intersection of religion, politics, and conflict. Its growth underscores the critical need to understand the religious and political dynamics shaping the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The international community's awareness and response to this ideological force will likely influence the trajectory of peace or conflict in the region for years to come. Thank you for joining us in this exploration. If you found this insight valuable, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.